let's start with the right hand. We're going to start with finger 1 on a G. Now to find a G, look for 3 black notes in a row, and the G is the white note between those notes and most to the left. This is a G, this is an A. We want this G here, and we're going to start with finger 1 on that G. Now after we play that G with finger 1, we're going to go to a B with finger 3, followed quickly by an A with finger 2. So it's like this. So the B is what's called a grace note. It's going to be played very quickly, bleeding right into that A. G, B, A. With fingers 1 and then 3, 2. Now from this A, we're then going to play G with finger 1 again, A with finger 2 again, B with finger 3, and back to the G with finger 1. Again from the A, G, A, B, G, with fingers 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. So from the beginning, okay, so we have finger 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. G, B, A, G, A, B, G. Now from there, from this last G that we just played, we're going to go to a G an octave higher with our pinky, or finger number 5. So let's just go up to there. Okay, now from this high G, we're then going to play a D with finger 3, and then again the D with finger 3, and then a B with finger 1. So G, D, D, B, with fingers 5, 3, 3, 1. From the beginning, now from here we're going to play that B again, but we're going to play it with finger 2 instead of finger 1. You could also use finger 3 if you like. I'm going to use finger 2 for now. So from the high G, switch to 2, and then play that lower G with finger 1. Again, from the beginning. Now from there, we're going to go to a C with finger 4. Let's play up to that C. Now we're going to play the C again after this, but we're going to switch to finger 3. And that C is going to be a grace note again, which means it's going to go right into the next note, which is a B with finger 2. So we have... Notice how I played the C first with finger 4, and then switched to finger 3, and going to the B very quickly with finger 2. Now from that B, we're then going to play an A with finger 1, a B with finger 2, a C with finger 3, and an A with finger 1. Again, B, A, B, C, A, with fingers 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. From the beginning, okay, now after this A, we're then going to go to a D with finger 3, followed by an E with finger 4, and back to the D with finger 3. From the beginning. Okay, again we have D, E, D with fingers 3, 4, 3. And then we're going to go to a B with finger 1, a C with finger 3, and an A with finger 2, and finally a G with finger 1. So again, from that D, we have D, E, D, B, C, A, G, with fingers 3, 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. From the beginning. Now let's add in the left hand. So when we start on that G with finger 1, the left hand is going to play a G with finger 4 and a B with finger 2. Notice that the G that we're playing is exactly 1 octave lower than the G we're playing in the right hand, and the B is right next to that. Just skip over the A to get to the B. Okay, so we play all 3 of those notes at the same time. And then the grace note is going to sound very quickly going right into the A, so that B right into the A. And when we land on the A, this G and B is going to change to an F sharp with finger 5 and a C with finger 1. So, like that. F sharp with 5, C with 1, A with 2. So from the beginning we have... Notice that the F sharp and C don't come in with the B, they come in with the A. Right, the B is played very quickly right before the left hand comes in. So we have. And now we finish this measure in the right hand, and then we go back to the G and B when we come to this G here. And same fingers, fingers 2 and 4. So we have. Okay, now that holds for one beat, all 3 of these notes, and then they all release, and we play that higher right hand part. All by itself, the left hand is resting during that whole time. So let's play it from the beginning up to there. Next, when the right hand goes to the C with finger 4, the left hand is going to play a D with finger 5 and an A with finger 1, like this. Okay, again, we have a C with finger 4 in the right hand, and we have a D with finger 5 and an A with finger 1 in the left hand. And then remember, we're going to switch from finger 4 to 3 in the right hand to play that C grace note, bleeding into that B with finger 2, and when we do that, the left hand is going to play the D again with finger 5, but this time the G with finger 2. So we have... Again, notice that the C, the grace note, sounds right before the left hand comes in, and the left hand comes in on that B with the D and G here. So we have, and then we're going to hold down this D and G while the right hand finishes the measure, A, B, C. So it's, and then remember that the right hand is going to go to that A, and this time the left hand is going to play D again with finger 5 and an F sharp with finger 3. So we have, from the beginning, and then from here, everything's going to release again. The left hand will be resting, and we're going to play the rest of this right hand part until we come to this G. When we come in on this G, the left hand is also going to come in on a G, exactly 1 octave lower, with finger 5. So again, from that run by itself in the right hand, starting on the D, and that's going to lead into the next part, which we'll learn in the next lesson. Let's do the whole thing from the beginning. And one more time, a little bit faster.